What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's been a while, but I'm finally getting back into my HO Scale Railroad. This isn't just a one-time project, it's the start of a brand new build series. From laying track in building industries and running trains, you'll get to watch this layout come together one step at a time. If you love model railroading, make sure to stick around because this journey is just getting started. Right now, I'm laying down my track plan for the layout using Bachmann's Easy Track, the best way to start if you're a beginner. And there it goes, the very first train on the layout. Watching it roll around for the first time makes all those hours of work worth it. It's still just the beginning, but it's awesome seeing this railroad finally come alive. Over the next few episodes, we'll be adding scenery, industries, more track details, weathering, and plenty of operating sessions to turn this layout into that feels like a real railroad. If you're excited to see this layout grow from the ground up, make sure to stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of the Build Series.